Welcome to my Pride vertical template. I'm going to show you a brief demonstration of what this can do. This is an awesome patriotic template that allows you to include two different versions of the subject, a full body and a close-up, or you could certainly just do one subject here. So I can shut off, for example, the background subject, make the foreground subject a little bit bigger to fit this, and do something like that. This can work for any athlete or subject. So for example, it doesn't have to be sports. It could be something like first responders, police officers, military, Boy Scouts, whatever you want to put in there. I can also add some other overlays here. So I can add a color overlay and, for example, just the team name across there to simplify it a little bit more if you want. You can shut off the foreground text layers here so you don't have the subject name in there anymore. And that's a little bit more easy for volume photographers if you don't want to include personalized information. You can also easily change this motto down here. For example, if you wanted to put the team mascot across the bottom, I could easily do something like that too. So there's all kinds of different ways you can modify this. This looks great for wrestling, football, any sport or subject that you want to throw in there. Hope you enjoy this template.